Question 21. Right, nice solid bit of algebra here. So we need to end up with y equaling something. Y equaling something, so we have to rearrange to end up with y on its own. So kick off by undoing the plus 17 by taking away 17 from both sides. So at that point 5y equals minus 7. Then you need to undo this multiplying by 5 by dividing both sides by 5. So y equals minus 7 to be divided by 5. That's perfectly alright to give you a final answer like that, but you can also give it as minus 1.4 if you want. Now for part B, you want to kick off by expanding the bracket on the left hand side, 5 times q and 5 times minus 3, giving us 5q minus 15 equals 12 minus q. Now you want to get all your q's on one side, and it's easier to take the q's over to the bigger side of that q's. So I'm going to take all my q's over to the left. So I need to undo my minus q by choosing to add q to both sides. So at that point I get 6q minus 15 equals 12. Now my q's are on the left, I want all my normal numbers on the right. So to undo this minus 15, I'm going to choose to add 15 to both sides. So I get 6q equals 12 add 15, which is 27. So I've now got q times 6. How do I undo this timesing by 6? I divide by 6. So q equals 27 over 6, which simplifies to 9 over 2. That's dividing top and bottom by 3. Again, top every fraction is fine for full marks, but you could have converted that to 4.5 if you wish. Now for part C, I think it's always wise to try and in these inequalities make to make it positive, whatever the letter term comprises. So I think it's a sensible opening start to choose to add 70 to both sides, then to take away 31, and then to divide by 7. So at that point I've got minus 4 being greater than or equal to t, or in other words, reading it right to left, t being less than or equal to minus 4. And that's how you should give your answer.